Well, hello, welcome to my channel. I just got this from bought this off from Amazon for $70. This is called a Yaber car jump starter with an air compressor. So 2-in-1, a car jump starter with an air compressor, and it also has a, let's say, jump starter. It has a power bank and a flashlight. 3500 amp jump starter, 150 psi air inflator, an 81 watt-hour power bank. Okay, and then for the performance, start performance, it just has a 3500 A peak 12 volts, 9.0 liter for engine for gas, and 8.0 liter engine for diesel. Okay, and it has 4 ports right here, 1 2 3 4. USB 1 output is 5 volt 2.4 amps. USB 2 output is 5 volts 2.4 amps, or 9 volts 2 amps, or 12 volt 1.5 amps. USB-C input 5 volt 2 amps, or 9 volt 2 amps. DC output will be 12 volts to 16.8 volts, 10 amps. Max air pressure is 150 psi. Okay, and let's unbox this. Very nice box right here, solid. Let's open it up. Okay, it has a really a nice case, a hard case, very hard case right here. Yaber, it has a letter, let's say, have YaberAuto on there, on the case. Let's open it up. Oh, so the unit is about 2 pounds, and the model number is YaberAuto Y70, and the dimension for this unit is 1.85 inches depth by 3.94 inches width, and by 8.66 inches height. So it's about 2 pounds, not pretty light. And that has 4 ports: USB 1 out, USB 2 out, USB-C in, and DC out. Okay, the ports. So 4 ports in there. And in the front, this is where you plug in the jumper cable right here in the front, jumper cable. And this is a flashlight, and this is where you plug in the air hose to inflate the car tire. And look at the screen. The screen is very nice, rectangular, and there's 3 buttons right here. The middle button is the main button, is for the power, and this one to the left, it would be for flashlight, and this one is when you want to change to, like, to use an air compressor for a car, or for a bicycle, or for a motorcycle. You would press this button right here. And this one, you want to change the set the on the air compressor, you want to set the air pressure first before you want to pump it. So there's a plus and a minus. And to turn it on, is the power button in the middle. Just tap on it, and right now it's at 94%. Okay, 94%. To use a flashlight, all you need to do is just press the. So you got to turn on the power first to use a flashlight, and then press and hold the flashlight button, and the flashlight come on. Okay. Okay, it's not very bright. It's 300 lumen, not very bright. Now you press the flashlight button again, it start to flash, and you press it one more time, it start to flash faster, and then you press it again, it just go back to a regular flashlight. And you press and hold it, and it just shut off the flashlight. Let's look at what's inside here in the case. What's they provided inside the case here. So in the inside the hard case, they provide you with some accessory. So this is the air hose for inflating the tire. All right, this one of that, and this is a jumper cable. The jumper cable right there, and this is this cable is very short. Is for charging up the unit right here, very short one. And this is the DC adapter, the 12-volt DC adapter, which you can use that to plug into the cigarette lighter in your car right there. And we got here for the compressor, we got the 3 adapter right here. I believe the needle one right here, that's for the bicycle, and the other one might be for balloon, all of that stuff. Okay. And we got the manual, instruction manual right here, 3 of them. 3 of them, but each one of them have, if you flip to this side, EN, that's in English, and you flip to the other side, it's called JP, that's Japan, Japanese. And for this one, you flip to this side, so ES would be Spanish language, and this to this side would be Italian, and this one would be France. And then you flip to this side, the DE, DE, I believe that's in German. So there's 3 different, 6 different languages for this 3 booklet manual right here. 6 different languages, which all right. Now I say to use the DC adapter right here, use this port, open up it on the side right here on the left side, and just plug it in that port right here. That's called, let's say, the DC out. So use that and just plug into the cigarette lighter. Okay. To charge the unit, I just use the Samsung fast charger right here. So I plug this in. That's charging the unit. Plug that in, and then using the USB-C. Plug that in, and I need to do is just go to an outlet. The only disadvantage about this is the cord they give you is very short. So plug that in, and then you plug that in already. Oh, see that? See, say in right here flashing. That means you already plug it in the to charge it. Right now it's 94%. I don't know how long it takes to charge this. It shouldn't take that long, I think. 94 right now. I just plug it in. See, okay, that's, oh, it's jumped up to 95 now, so it shouldn't take that long at all. So that's how you charge the unit. Okay, let's unplug this. Right now it's too cold. I would have show you, I would have demonstrate how to jump start a battery, a car battery, but it's pretty cold right now. So it's so simple right here, right in the front. Open this flap up. It should say right here, engine start right here, with the little car symbol right here. Just open that flap up, and just plug this in. Plug the jumper cable. There's 2 holes in there. One small one, one big one. You can't make mistakes. So if you plug it in, it doesn't go in. That means that you better probably put it in wrong. Okay. All right. Just push it in, and now it's flashing right here. Now all you need to do to jump start the car, just tap on the power button. All right, and now it's on. And all you need to do is just put this alligator clip right here. Red for positive, black for negative, and then just clip it on. Red for positive, black for negative, and then just start the car. That would jump start the battery. Okay, it's so simple. Right now it's 18 degrees outside, so I don't want to go outside and show you how to inflate the tire, but I'm going to show you how to inflate the basketball right here. I got a flat basketball right here. So all you need to do is just connect this air hose right here, right there. Just screw it in right on the top right here. Just screw it into this hole. Yep, just screw it in a little tight there, and then use one of this adapter right here. So I think for basketball, the needle one right here, this one would for basketball. Just push it all the way in, and then just find a hole in this basketball and just push it in all the way in, and then pull this black thing down. All right, to pump to inflate the basketball is simple. Just turn on the power. Okay, and then tap on the power button again. Now it changed. Look at this is a car. Now you want to change to a bicycle, you just tap on the button on the right here. That's a motorcycle. See the picture of motorcycle? That's a picture of bike. Now that's a picture of basketball right here. Now press and hold the power button. Let's start pumping. PSI, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it. I think a basketball take about 8 PSI. It's pretty, look at that. So that's it. That's so simple. So you can also use this as a power bank. And need to do is just there's a cable right there. This cable, I use this cable to charge my phone right here. So this go into the USB. So go into the USB 2 out. This one, and then just put this into your, connect this to your phone. And it's always got to turn on the power. Okay, now turn on the power before start charging. Okay. All right, just turn on the power and then plug in the phone. Now start charging. As I say right here now, it's 61%. So we'll fully charge in 36 minutes. So you can use this as a power bank also. So it's pretty good. It's a pretty good gadget to have. Right now it's winter time over here. You can use this to jump start your battery. You can use this to charge your phone. You can use this as a flashlight, or you can use this as an air compressor to inflate your car tire, the basketball, or your bike. So it all have so many features right here. So this is very useful. So for the price of $70, it's a pretty nice one. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something here. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.